In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an arrow in Figma. We'll walk through 3 simple methods and a few handy shortcuts so you can draw clear, precise arrows for your designs in no time. Let's start with the fastest approach, using the arrow tool. Press Shift plus L on your keyboard to activate it instantly. Then click and drag on your canvas in the direction you want the arrow to point. As you drag, you'll see the shaft of the arrow extend. When you're happy with the length and direction, just release your mouse. Figma automatically adds an arrowhead at the end, so you get a clean arrow in one fluid motion. If you want your arrow perfectly straight along a set angle, hold Shift while you drag to keep it aligned. If you prefer selecting tools from the interface, you can create an arrow from the toolbar. Go to the top of Figma and open the Shape Tools drop-down. It's right next to the rectangle icon. From that list, choose Arrow. Now click and drag on the canvas just like before to draw your arrow. This gives you the same result as the keyboard shortcut, but it's great if you like a visual way to pick tools. Another flexible option is converting a regular line into an arrow. Start by drawing a line with the L key. Click once to start the line, click again to end it, and then select that line. Over on the right sidebar, find the stroke settings. Open the endpoint options there, and you'll see a few arrow styles you can apply. Choose from a line arrow, a triangle arrow, or a diamond arrow. The moment you pick one, Figma adds that arrowhead to the line. This method is especially helpful when you already have a line placed and just want to turn it into an arrow without redrawing. A couple of shortcuts will make this even smoother. Remember, Shift plus L jumps straight to the arrow tool. While you're drawing, hold Shift and drag to keep the arrow straight along a constrained angle, which is perfect for clean diagrams. And if you want to draw from the center outward, useful for symmetrical layouts, hold Alt while you drag. That's it. With these 3 methods and a few shortcuts, you can create arrows quickly and consistently in Figma. Practice each approach to see which one fits your workflow best, and you'll be laying out crisp annotations and diagrams in seconds.